In this video, I will guide you to the process of converting your TikTok rewards into real money. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to withdraw TikTok rewards, start by opening the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. Now, tap the three lines at the top right corner of your screen to reveal the menu of options. Now, within the menu, find and tap on the option labeled Balance, as this is where you will manage your earning and rewards. And within the Balance section, find and select Live Rewards, and from here, you can view your current rewards balance. So at this point, you will see if you have any rewards available. Now, if you do, you're eligible to withdraw them for cash. So if you have rewards available, the withdraw option will be feasible. So go ahead and tap on it and just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the withdrawal process. So just a quick reminder, you need to ensure that you have linked your prepared e-payment channels such as PayPal or your bank account to TikTok, as this is crucial for transferring the money to your chosen account. Now, once your e-payment channels are linked, specify the desired amount you wish to withdraw and just follow any additional instructions provided by TikTok to finalize the transaction. And that's it. If you encounter any issues or have questions, consult TikTok support resources for further assistance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.